Okay, welcome everybody. Welcome everybody to our March Assembly. All right, welcome to all the parents. We're going to start with Music Awards. Mr. Frigo.
Good morning, Deerwood School. Good morning, parents. It is a pleasure to award these awards for the months of February and March to the following students. Ryder Stevens, kindergarten. Come on up here, Ryder. Stand right by the yellow, on the yellow line there. Okay, Heidi Shaw, grade 1. Carson Smith, grade 1. Okay, Drake Ballard, grade 2. Addison Dysart, grade 2. Olivia Lapointe, grade 2. Ramat Man, grade 3. Kaylee Martin, grade 3. Sadie Edwards, grade 3. So just a special note to these grade 4s, I call them the Super 6 because they've given 100% all year since September. So I wanted to recognize that. Quinn Brolin, Emerson Hall, Samuel Hobbs. Nicely done. Nicely done. Nicely done, young man. Okay, the other half of the Super 6. Zoe Boxell, Aria Murray, Abigail Olney, nicely done, Zoe. Nicely done, Abigail. Nicely done, Aria. And grade 5, Acacia Abid. Done, Acacia. Let's give these people a huge round of applause. Are we squeezing closer to the picture? Squeezing closer. Squeezing closer. Very good, very good. Big smile.
Okay, we're going to continue as soon as everyone's ready. Okay, we have a lot of awards to get through today, so we need everyone to be ready to go, okay? So our next awards are kindergarten. We have a math award presented to Isabella Dick. Come on, Isabella. And we also have another math award for Amelia Zavshesky. Is this your first award? Congratulations. Look at your mom. This way, other way. Oh, here, let's get a picture. Okay, I have some awards from Miss Ray. So the first award is a writing award, and it is presented to Jackson Kopichuk. Okay, the next award is a Sight Word Superstar Award for focusing hard. I'm gonna wait. Thank you. The Sight Word Superstar Award is for focusing hard and successfully learning all of their sight words. This is for Olivia Lapointe. We have an award for Outstanding Achievement in Reading. And this must be a really smart cookie, Christine Baker. Oh, sorry, these are Miss Scadden's awards. Hang on a minute, Christine. We need a picture with Miss Ray's awards. Hang on, Christine. Sorry, guys. They weren't paper clipped together. Okay, good. Okay, now we're moving on to Miss Scadden. Christine Baker, Outstanding Achievement in Reading. And, wow, there's a lot of smart cookies in Miss Scadden's grade 1 class. Outstanding Achievement Award for Science is presented to Faith Williamson. Good job, girls. Okay, we have some awards now from Miss Calabanca. Okay, are we ready? Okay, we have an awesome attitude award going to Courtney Brightnose. No, she's not here? Okay, and we also have a Creativity and Arts Award going to Kaylee Martin. Okay, so last month at our awards assembly, we gave certificates to all the people that won science fair. And you know what? Mr. Harwood, we can blame it on him because he's not here today. He forgot to give you guys your prizes. So I'm going to hold your applause until the end. I'm going to call up all of the winners for the science fair for grades 2, 3, and up. And you can come up and get your award, okay? Or your prize, and we'll just wait here. You can applaud at the end. Okay, we have Ramat Maan. Applaud at the end. Rubani Kwar. Leah Marie. Quinn Broland. Abigail Olney. Mark Scadden. Gershon Maan. Talia Thomas. Bradley DeRose. Navia Segal. Chloe Weir. Abby Brenton. Georgia Brown. Avery Peddle. Edison Wood, and Jacob Menard. Now you can clap. Look at it. Okay, some of these students are representing Deerwood School at the Regional Science Fair that's happening on April 6th at Riverside School. So we wish them all the very best of luck. Okay, my next awards are from Miss Lafreniere, grade 4 class. So we have a kindness award going to someone for your constant kindness and considerable actions, which helps to make the world a better place. Wow, that's for Samavir Singh. We have a math award for working hard in math, and this is going to Gershon Mon. And we have another math award, this time for Logan McLeod Catchaway. Okay, I'm tired of talking, so now I'm going to pass it over to Miss Derlanders.
Well, apparently you want to hear me talk. Oh, nice, thank you very much. My awards today are Social Studies Awards. We're right at about 1,900 in our Social Studies with new immigrants that come to Canada. And as of today, we still get new immigrants every day to Canada. They have new cultures, new religions, and our project was about religion, as a matter of fact. The kids picked a religion that they didn't have. They had to learn something about someone else's religion, which I thought was of value to them. Because if someone's different, it's understanding why they're different and why they have a different culture or religion. That's important. So my 2 awards go to Maximilian McLean and Tanika Redhead. Come on down. Good job, guys.
Okay, I have some awards for Miss McDonald. And Miss McDonald has been celebrating the 7 sacred teachings in her classroom, and this month is all about love. So these 2 students are getting the Love Award for being compassionate towards others, both human and gerbil, because they have 2 pet gerbils in their class. Okay, but I'm gonna wait to announce their names while everyone is ready, before everyone is ready. Okay, this is not a hair salon. You don't need to be doing each other's hair. Okay, so we have 2 students from Miss McDonald's classroom getting the Love Award, and the first one is Jagger Edwards. The second person getting the Love Award from Miss McDonald is McKenna McKay. Okay, so a few weeks ago now, we had our mini winter fest. Does everyone remember that? Did everybody have fun? Yeah, that's the main thing. But we kept track of the points that you guys got for the different events that you did. And we considered the attitude, behavior, cooperation that you showed during the day. And we have some awards for Mini Winter Fest. Ryan, kindergarten, you need to sit, please. Okay, so in grade 1, we have first place, Jolie Austin. Second place, Hunter Pronto Cook. And third place, Logan Nelson. picture at the end, okay? Okay, for grade 2, first place, Bryden Sturzik. Second place, Lily Olney. Third place, Latifa Redhead. No Bryden? Okay, grade 3, first place, Kaylee Martin. Second place, Sadie Edwards. Third place, Courtney Brightnose. There you go, girl. No Sadie? Okay, grade 4. First place, Samuel Hobbs. Second place, Gershon Mon. Third place, Mark Scadden. Oh. There you go. There you go. All right, grade 5. First place, Sadie Brightnose. Second place, Emma J. Morosity Moose. And third place, Quinn Sabatelli. Grade 6. First place, Annabelle Foray. Second place, Sophia Kelleher. Third place, Adele Harwood. Grade 7. First place, Kaya Kopichak. Second place, Nicole Trout. Third place, Seth Marcus. Okay, and grade 8, first place, Edison Wood. Second place, Georgia Brown. Third place, Bradley DeRose. Congratulations. Congratulations. Speed it up, Bradley. Congratulations. Okay. Oh boy. Okay, congratulations to our Mini Winter Festival winners. Okay, next up, we have awards from Miss Boychuk.
Okay, my first award is going out to a student who's been doing an excellent job in math, specifically in the pattern rule, and that's going out to Medhan Shandal. My second award is going out to a student who is always very creative within her writing. That's going out to Quinn Sepatelli. My last award is going out to a student who has shown improvement, is really trying in class, and that's going to Michael Scadden.
Michael! Michael and Mark. Michael! Michael, you cheated. She actually hate us.
Hey, you didn't take just one sec. Don't move. Just wait till it flashes. I did it. Good job. Good job.
Okay, last but not least, I think have we got everybody down the row here? We have Mr. Halati.
Thank you very much. I won't take up too much of your time. I'll take this off, actually. I'm too tall for this. I want to start my speech off with a little bit of a quote, because if you want to say something really cool, someone else has probably already said it better. And one of my favorite movies of all time is called Friday Night Lights. And the coach in the movie is talking to their star player, and he says, "There's not that much of a difference between winning and losing." And I always thought that quote was ridiculous, because of course there's a big difference between winning and losing. And on Monday, our basketball game, when I saw that ball circle the rim and roll out, sorry to remind our players, I think I finally understood what that quote meant. And that is that you could still leave it all on the floor, you could still play your best, you could still have an amazing season where you win every game, and you could still lose. And unfortunately, that's what happened on Monday to our team. But that ball rolling out of the rim doesn't change how awesome we did this season. It doesn't change how hard our players played. It doesn't change all of our wins, all of our accolades, and more importantly, it doesn't change how proud I am of a coach of our team and how proud our community is. And I want to specifically shout out, I don't know how many junior high parents are here, but specifically give a round of applause to the junior high parents who drove their kids to and from every game, drove their kids to and from the finals, and I'm sure were good shoulders to cry on, because there were plenty of tears spilled after that game. However, I do want to shout out some players from the team and give them some awards. Let's see. I think one of the reasons why we did so well this season was because of our defense. And I think our best defensive player this year, somebody who always helped out on defense, some big time blocks, and that goes to Parker Clements, number 34. My next one is in the NBA. They recently started doing this. They did a clutch player of the year. And in our finals game, I had to send out what they call a death lineup, which means your best players. It was crunch time. We needed our best guys out there. And I had my four, and I pondered a lot about who my fifth guy would be. And I thought, if I just need a bucket, who am I going to send out there? Who's going to get me that bucket? And this guy went out there in my death lineup and got some big buckets, and was the main reason why I think we only lost by 1 point, the reason why we had that chance, that last second shot. So my clutch player of the year goes to none other than Dawson Peter Allen Tripp. And then my last award, I always appreciate as a coach leaders. And your leader is usually never your best player. It's always somebody who is the vocal leader, who helps everybody out, and not only leads by example, but is always supportive of everybody else. This player idolizes Steph Curry. He sure as heck plays like him. So my leader of the year, if I can give a captain, it would be Jacob Menard. And we didn't get an opportunity to do this because the pictures would not have turned out very nicely. But if I can get the rest of the basketball team up here, Bradley, Zach, Edison, Nathan, Liam, we just come up here. I want to give your basketball team a big round of applause for a huge season this year. Am I missing anybody? Jacob, we should go to the back.
Okay, everybody, that concludes our assembly. I want to wish everyone a safe and fun and happy spring break. We have one more day of school and then we're all on holidays for a week. So everyone have a great break.